anything about, okay? Sorry, we're live. हम लाइव हो गए हैं. आपने डॉक्यूमेंट स्टार्ट कर दी? वाह. कविता जी, आपने डॉक्यूमेंट स्टार्ट कर दी कविता जी? लगता है नया डॉक्यूमेंट है, आपने शेयर नहीं किया है. Simplicity is so sweet.
Is it called Wikidollar also the simple?
Can you share the document with me? You can add, yeah. Wikidollar is simple man, right?
What? Just go to the folder, man.
Okay, fine. Why are you yelling? No, I got. Don't worry. What?
Huh?
Go on and think it's your own doing of your creations.
Huh?
Don't get excited. Calm down. Breathe. Show off it now.
After months of springtime and no play dates, the Children's Discovery Museum is open for the full play days of summer. It's time to rediscover the wonder. Climb on the fire engine, splash around in the waterworks, blow bubbles, and scale the tree climber in Bill's backyard. Oodles of hands-on arts and culture, STEM, health, and nature-themed exhibits await your family. The Giant Bobby Museum is open every day, Wednesday through Sunday. Reservations are required at cdm.org. That's cdm.org. जब हमारे परिवार के बुजुर्गों की सेहत और देखभाल की बात होती है, तो घर पर इन होम केयर वाला ऑप्शन सबसे बढ़िया है. ऑनलॉक का बेस प्रोग्राम एक ऐसा कन्वीनियंट एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑप्शन है जिसके जरिए हमारे बुजुर्ग घर पर हमारे साथ रहकर यही देखभाल और सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं. अब चाहे वो घर पर रहे या ऑनलॉक वाले बेस सेंटर में आए, उनको वही डेडिकेटेड एंड प्रोफेशनल केयर मिलेगी. ऑनलॉक ने बुजुर्गों की सेहत को अपना प्रायोरिटी बना लिया है. और जानने के लिए 1855-308-0195 पे कॉल करें. That's 1855-308-0195.
What are the other movies? Jolly enough.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show.
Yes, you heard it right.
Every
नमस्कार.
नमस्ते.
नमस्कार.
वणक्कम.
खुश आमदी.
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
श्रीगंधरी वंदना.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्णा.
जय जनेन्द्र.
हमारे इस्मानी भाई बंधुओं को बोलते या अली मदन.
मोनाली मतलब बोलते हैं सारे फीजिए मतलब बोलेंगे निशा बुला बनजान. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा. मैं सब फालतू बाबा.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो दैट्स गोना मेक इट टोटली एक्साइटिंग एंड टोटली मस्तानी बन जानी. एंड आज बन बहुत ही सिंपल सा शो है. वेरी वेरी सिंपल सा शो है. एंड अगर आप सोच रहे हैं हाँ कंप्लेन मत करो, क्यों आप लोग 5:30 को आए, क्यों आप लोग 5 बजे को नहीं आए, वो दीपा वापस आ गई ना, तो उसके लिए टू मेक श्योर दैट शी हैज इनफ स्लीप एंड यू नो. Yeah, so we kind of her jet lag is rubbing off on us also, Banjan.
I don't know about us, definitely फालतू है. And of course बच्चन आज का शो बस सादगी ही सादगी है. It's all about simplicity from the film city, Banjan.
Yes. Oh, सादगी ही सादगी है.
Oh my God.
Oh, darling bandus, put your hands up and say, pam, pam, pam. What is wrong with
Well,
me?
Father, something is wrong with you. Well, let's get it checked up later. But let's tell you, I think आज का शो का नाम सादगी सोमवार है because we're going to talk about how सादगी actually is very underrated. Father, you know, Indian cinema historically, out of 100 years of Indian cinema, they always have focused on the fantastic hero. Fantastic hero, fantastic heroine. When talking about fantastic, but then please understand, when I say fantastic, I'm not talking about like wonderful. I'm talking about fantastic as in fantasy. Somebody who can only be real in fantasy, not in real life.
यानी कि larger than life बन जाए, जहाँ पे एक हीरो या हीरोइन इतने मतलब हीरोइन इतनी ग्लैमरस है, इतनी ये है, मतलब या हीरो इतना macho man है, इतना egotistical है कि he will not allow anybody to come in his way, and that he will actually beat up even if he's from a poor family. He has
let me
uske
tell you one
usool.
thing. Exactly, Fatani, you brought the right point there. Now they kind of ask us to live up to some ideals, right? Hero ka, of course, when you say hero is supposed to be somebody who lives up to people's expectations, right? Or rather lives up to ideals, and so that we can actually live up to those ideals. Like, you know, Bhagwan Sri Ram jo hum mante sab log, he was an ideal person, ideal human being, right?
Right.
People have to live up to his expectations, live up to his style is what they say. But
Correct.
reality is, can there be another Ram? No. Similarly, Brajan, when they talk about stories and fantastic heroes, fantastic heroines, I think it's just like, you know, telling a lie to us.
Like for instance, very simple thing, Banjan. एक दिखाते हैं कि वो बहुत पोर फैमिली से है, सोचो कि वो इतने यू नो सैड सिचुएशन में है लाइफ में, देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन कुछ होता है, किसी के साथ प्यार हो जाता है, उस लड़की के लिए वो कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार है, लाइक यू नो, एंड देन सम कोई उसको अटैक करेगा तो 5-6 लोगों को मार देगा, लाइक यू नो, इन वन शॉट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और they'll have like you know they'll have a major terrorist situation, or they'll have a major like you know crime situation, and इसको solve करने के लिए बस we need this kind of police officer. Like they make them out to be these superheroes who are that a common man cannot identify with. लेकिन हम लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, वाह अब सब देखना, अब आएगा चुलबुल पांडे, अब मार देगा सभी को, अब ये होगा.
Yeah, देखो, but I'll tell you what, let me do this. Let's classify. Today we got to identify movies of the Indian cinema. We got to identify and present a few of them. सब कुछ हमें मालूम है, कुछ आप हम सोचे आपको मालूम है, ताकि हम लोग एक ऐसा should I say a treasure chest बनाएंगे, which actually is celebrating simplicity. मतलब सादगी, right? Now we are not going to take into account biopics. Biopics तो actually आज के ज़माने का fashion हो गया है, become a fad, and
which actually, is not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing, but if you notice, Banuja, Indian cinema has this option of always taking a biopic also and making it as overly, you know, preachy. And sometimes things like, you know, Bell Bottom, prim and proper, the dude. He might have been, I don't know, but Bell Bottom, like the way Akshay Kumar, I saw the movie, enjoyed the movie, but the point was, I didn't feel real. Akshay Kumar's acting was totally like taken over. Well, Akshay Kumar was, I can only say Akshay Kumar in the whole role. Seriously, did you even see that Vani Kapoor, right? Now, did it even seem like a lady from the 80s? I didn't see it, sorry.
No.
Starting from a makeup style to the point of dressing what she chose was not of a lady from the 80s. And even Akshay Kumar's dressing was something which stitched over here in the 2021 and put back into the 80s. If you look at that way, go trust me, go check it out yourself. I got a film flop for because it didn't actually do justice to it. It was too complicated to be simple. Correct. They tried to make it a sadgi, simple mein kar diya sab kuch. Aisa nahi hota nahi Mirjan. So that's why we're talking now with all those biopics and those representation of things all gone, right? We're not going to take into account about the period stories. They don't come into play. Like period stories, I'm talking about Mughal-e-Azam, or those things don't come into play. Like, you know, you can't talk about something shot in story set in the Mughal time, or for the matter something about Mahabharata, whatever. Those don't come into play. We're talking about stories which actually are of common man, right? And the common man should one thing. Okay, the common man should be really a simple common man. I say. Stories hain Banjan. Starting from the 50s to right now, there are many kind of stories. The question is, have we liked them? And if we have liked them, have they stayed in our minds? Right? Now, Baiju Bawra, fantastic story. I don't think I can believe that. Right? But Roti Kapda Makan, very realistic story. Right? And most of our Sapno Ka Saudagar's movies, Raj Kapoor, fantastic stories. You can't imagine a hero can be so, you know, gullible, or for the matter, so trusting or so usul wala, or for the matter, goes so much of tragedy.
हाँ
But again, it's fantastic story, right? It doesn't come. His thing don't count. Few, well, actually no. Yesterday, as मैं से जो भी film दोगे आप आके call करके बताओ कि what actually stands out as a story which is totally about सादगी, right? How about we do? Generally हम लोग क्या करते हैं फादर, हम लोग we go back in time and come back forward, right?
Yeah.
How about we today go backwards?
हाँ
आज के ज़माने में एक story लेके आगे we'll keep going back in time. How about that?
okay, that's fine.
A
Yeah.
new change, a new route we're going to take right now because as we always we try to complicate things as much as possible. So if you think, oh, these guys are going to go back, start from the beginning, no, we're not. We're going to start from the and then go back to the beginning as well. Let's go back to the very beginning, right, Fadari?
हाँ.
But right now, Fadari, how about आज के ज़माने में बच्चों अगर आपको कोई ऐसा स्टोरी याद आया
हाँ.
जिसमें सादगी ही सादगी है, right?
हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah, think about it. Give us a call here. 408-912-2479. Halaki, actually there's one this year and the last year. There were some good movies which actually talks about that simple things.
Yeah.
Right? But again, if the character in the movie is singing and fighting people and dancing, not khayali dancing, actually dancing, would you call that as a sadgi movie? Because I think if somebody is shown on screen singing and dancing to tunes and everything, doesn't fall in the category.
Oh wow.
Yes, because Faltani.
लेकिन आलतू बाबा ये हो सकता है कि I don't know how people actually dream of it. It could be the movie could be about a very common, simple man or woman, but they could have like this fantastic. It could be a tongue-in-the-cheek, fantastic song sequence, right?
Correct. Khayali pulao. That's
Huh.
fine.
Huh.
As long as it's khayali pulao.
And they show that as a khayali pulao in the movie.
That is good. That is
Yeah.
fine. That is fine. But not that they should pick up the thing and they should be picking up the mic and singing a particular thing like impromptu with music playing in the background, no instruments
Where
around.
they just get transported to Switzerland. तेरे मेरे होठों पे वैसे वो नहीं.
Why
I don't know why.
Are you trying to appease the audience right now? Because we have Vibha and we have Deepa there. 90s ka, the people love 90s. Yeah, and you know what Vibha says? Vibha says something on Facebook. Vibhaji, you should actually call up and tell all these things, Vibhaji.
Ha.
She says we sing and dance. We are simple, it seems. We sing and dance, yes, but we don't sing and dance our own songs, by the way.
Yeah.
That's my point.
That
So,
is true.
if you show Indian cinema which actually has karaoke going on. Get it?
Exactly. Like, how do you make up a song like on the drop of
Hey,
a hat?
you can. I can make up songs, but I don't have accompaniments.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Orchestra guitar कहाँ से आता है?
Yeah, because
Banjo.
the same difference. That's what I'm talking about. And today's Sadgi Somar is all about that. Namaskar, आपका हर स्वागत है Pam Pam के Sadgi Somar में. Please reduce the volume in the background. Merchant साहब कैसे हैं आप? मोहम्मद मर्चेंट साहब background में. Pam Pam, Merchant साहब, how are you doing?
अल्लाह का करम बजो में आपको सुन रहे हैं.
अरे वेरी गुड सर. आपकी
तो राम और श्याम.
राम और शाम. मैं यहाँ पे राम, ये शाम है ना. एग्जैक्टली सर.
Yeah?
मैं एकदम मैं तो बहुत
शक्ति. राम और श्याम शक्ति.
सर आप स्टोरीज जो बोल रहे राम और शाम में, राम और शाम फिल्म में हमारे दिलीप साहब गाना गाते
आवाज नहीं
हैं.
आ रही है.
सर आपको आपका
Hello?
जो रेडियो है वो जो आपने लगाया है उसको प्लीज कम करना है बैकग्राउंड में.
अभी उठ गया और ये चला और आया रेडियो के पास.
हाँ, तो वॉल्यूम बंद कर दो.
हाँ.
हाँ, राम और श्याम
हाँ सर, लेकिन
शक्ति.
सही है सर.
मुगले आजम.
सुनो आपने समझे नहीं. मुगले आजम की बात कर रहे हो आप. मुगले आजम पीरियड स्टोरी हो गया. हम सादगी की बात करें. यहाँ पे सिंपल स्टोरी होनी चाहिए. मतलब
अब है
अपने
ना राम और श्याम.
सर राम और श्याम.
शक्ति.
सर राम और श्याम में दोनों गाते भी हैं. गाने के दिखाते हैं लाइक द वंडरफुल सिंगर्स.
हाँ हाँ.
सही है ना. तो कितने लोग हमारे यहाँ पे वंडरफुल सिंगर अपने खुद का गाना बना के एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, राइट? तो फैंटास्टिक हो गया ना. मतलब ये थोड़ा कायली पलाव पका लिया उन्होंने ना.
हाँ हाँ. तो आपका सवाल क्या है?
मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. बहुत सिंपल सवाल है सर. ऐसा कोई स्टोरी बताओ जहाँ पे सिंप्लिसिटी था.
हैं?
जहाँ पे सिंप्लिसिटी था.
तो मैं बताती हूँ. आप थोड़ा रेडियो का वॉल्यूम कम कर दीजिए बैकग्राउंड में. मैं बताती हूँ आपको मोहम्मद मर्चेंट साहब. आज हमारा सवाल ये है कि हिंदी सिनेमा में और हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काफ़ी सारे ऐसे मूवीज़ बनाए गए, जैसे शोले ही देख लो, या आप दीवार देख लो। हर एक चीज़ में एक हीरो का कैरेक्टर जो है बहुत ही पर्दे से बड़ा है, मतलब इतना अमेजिंग कैरेक्टर है। लेकिन जो हमारे रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी के कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जैसे आलतू है, मैं हूँ, आप है, हमारी बंदूज हैं जो हमें देख रहे हैं, हम हमारे जैसे कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में मतलब रियली इन day-to-day lives, hardly anything is being done. So, there is really no, what do you call, there is no relatability concept. तो क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि सिंपल कैरेक्टर्स पे फिल्में इतने बनाई नहीं जाती हैं.
Yes.
तो वो जो सादगी है कैरेक्टरों में, वो उसके बारे में आपको बताना है कि कौन सा ऐसा मूवी है आपके जहन में जो आप जानते हैं जहाँ पे हीरो का कैरेक्टर या हीरोइन का कैरेक्टर बहुत ही सिंपल कैरेक्टर था, बहुत ही मतलब बिलीवेबल। ये नहीं कि हर एक बात पे गाने लग गए या हर एक बात पे डांस करने लग गए या डिशुम डिशुम।
आप ले लो तीसरी कसम, राज कपूर और वहीदा रहमान।
ओ रियली? अच्छा था क्या वो तीसरी कसम?
अच्छा,
फुल मूवी भाई, जबरदस्त।
अच्छा, उसमें क्या आपको क्यों लगा वो सादगी वाला मूवी है?
तो उसमें सादगी है कि उसमें स्मगलिंग तो होती है, स्मगलिंग हथियारों की होती है, पैसों की होती है, मनी की होती है, मगर उसमें स्मगलिंग जो है वो हाथ गाड़ी में होती है, बैल गाड़ी को खींच के ले जाता है।
हाँ।
और उसके नीचे सारा सामान छुपा होता है, गन्ने वगैरह सब नीचे होती है, और ये राज कपूर को भी नहीं पता है।
हाँ, लेकिन ये वही तीसरी कसम में गाना है ना, वो क्या गाना, क्या असर उसका सज्जन झूठ मत नहीं, वो वो नहीं
भाई, उसके गाने ये कि कैसी ये दुनिया बनाई,
हाँ,
दुनिया बनाने वाले।
वेल एक्चुअली सर आपका ले हम लोग आंसर ले लेंगे, हाँ, बिकॉज आई टेल यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मोर उसमें क्या फॉल्ट है बताऊंगा थोड़ा बहुत में, बट थैंक यू सो मच कॉलिंग। सुनते रहिए, आज थोड़े ऐसे फिल्मों की बात करेंगे जो आपको पसंद आएंगी, ठीक है? डेफिनेटली कॉल कीजिएगा।
बिल्कुल।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। एंड ऑफ कोर्स बंजन, अभी आपको बोलते हैं इन्होंने एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिया फाल्तू, इट्स वेरी नाइस सिंपल स्टोरी, राइट? बट इस सिंपल स्टोरी को उन्होंने फैंटास्टिक कैसे बनाया मालूम है फाल्तू? कैसे बनाया? बाय एडिंग अ सॉन्ग।
क्या?
इट्स नॉट अ ख्याली सॉन्ग, ही इज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑन द बुलक कार्ट। दुनिया बनाने वाले ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, मुझे उसमें कोई एतराज नहीं है, गाना अच्छा था, लेकिन इट इज अ फैंटास्टिक स्टोरी।
लेकिन आलतू बाबा, वो स्टोरी किस चीज के बारे में है? ही इज अ फार्मर, इज इट?
Yeah, it's actually this after nearly getting arrested and all, Hiraman promises to himself that he will never assist any black marketeer nor transport bamboo, right? Transport bamboo, right? This incident does not cost him his bullock cart, but he did manage to get his 2 oxen away in time. He managed to save enough money to buy another cart and is hired to take a female on a 30-hour ride to Mela. He subsequently finds that his passenger is an attractive woman, Hirabai, okay, and he falls in love with her. Little known that she is a traveling courtesan. And it is this attraction to that will get him into physical altercation as well as in the bad books of Thakur Vikram Singh.
फिर से आ गया ना एक बंदा, मतलब एक बड़ा सा हीरो। रियल लाइफ में ऐसे आई डोंट थिंक देयर आर लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ विलेन्स हु विल कम एंड
मैंने बंजन वो स्टोरी मैंने पढ़ा एक्चुअली, आई गूगल्ड इट, फाउंड आउट।
Yeah.
Simple story, a 30-hour journey, people falling in love is natural, but I don't know if the song element part,
people falling in love on a 30-hour journey is natural.
Dude, 30 hours if you're going on a bullock cart with somebody, no breaks anywhere, no restaurant, no 7-Eleven to pull into and get something to eat and chew, no radio in existence.
So you'll fall in love.
Why not?
Either you'll hate the person or you'll fall in love. Yeah. Oh, this is when Harry met Sally types. Okay, ठीक है.
यहाँ पे क्या Harry met Sally, खुद Sally शी.
नहीं man, there's a movie called Harry met Sally.
Oh, I thought Sally. Anyway, got a बंदू वेटिंग लाइफ फादर ने उसका नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के साथ की सोमवार में. Welcome. La 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 la. Hello. Oh my God. हमारे लिटिल क्वीन दीपा आ गई।
सादगी सोमवार में हमारी फैंटास्टिक क्वीन दीपा आ गई।
लिटिल क्वीन फैंटास्टिक, लिटिल नींबू के साथ निचोड़ के।
नींबू निचोड़ के
I
जीभ
can imagine Deepa doing the ad for Lil.
हाँ
Like Pete Zinta, Deepa, give me a compliment, Deepa. What are you talking about?
हाँ हाँ दो मैं ले रही हूँ.
दो में. हेलो. ऐसे मैं बोला हमारे मेरे बाजू में एक बेटी है.
compliment ले रही हूँ.
ए,
अरे
look,
भगवान.
मेरे
सच्ची
बाजू
में, ठीक है.
मैंने नहीं.
अंतु बाबा
ये-
नहीं, एक महीने जाके आई, कुछ नहीं बदला इधर.
अरे क्यों बदला? वाह.
बदलना क्यों चाहिए
यार आपके जो हमारे पास प्यारे दुगना हुआ है. हाँ.
मैं
वो तो
ना
है.
एक डायलॉग मारेगी अभी सुनना दीपा. तो हमने क्या कुछ बदला नहीं,
हाँ.
वैसे भी परफेक्शन को इम्प्रूव किया नहीं जाता.
Oh my God.
मैंने नहीं बोला, फरहान अख्तर ने लिखा
Yes.
और आमिर खान ने दिल चाहता है मैं बोला.
That is why it's a fantastic story.
No, that is not fantastic.
I
हम लोग
will-
ऐसे डायलॉग
or
मारते थे.
today is the day we're going to argue about the Faltwani.
Yeah.
Today is the day we're going to argue. Deepa also has come. Deepa also is here right now. We'll argue about
पहले ये
it.
गाने वाली थी कि मैं तेरी, फिर मुझे लगा अरे नहीं वो नहीं गाना गाएंगे अभी.
Hey, नहीं, but I'll tell you what, Deepa.
वो
Let's
थोड़ा
ask you.
थोड़ा रुके ना, थोड़ा अभी भी आई है, थोड़ी देर के बाद आएगा.
Don't worry, Deepa. After I present my contrarian, point to you, you'll automatically think of me as a dushman. That doesn't finish you. But let me ask you. You're a person who's a movie buff also, right? So
Yes.
आप जब आप बचपन में फिल्में देखना शुरू की थी, I think there was still a fantastic concept of heroes.
हाँ.
मतलब hero would be a person like a superhero kind of a thing, like super strength रहेगा या कुछ very intelligent kind of person, all those things, right? Now, have you thought of any movie which actually is of a simpleton, a simple guy, simple hero, simple heroine,
हाँ.
simple story?
हाँ वैसे 70s 80s में बहुत सारे आए वे मूवीज सिंप्लिसिटी को जो मतलब फैमिली सिंपल ऐसे दिखाए गए. वन ऑफ दैट आई रिमेम्बर इज खूबसूरत मूवी, रेखा एंड राकेश रोशन का मूवी.
Hey, wait, I'll tell you what.
हाँ.
I'm gonna tell those where Deepa start hating me all over again.
Yeah.
So go on, Deepa ji, बताइए ना, I'll point.
क्यों अरे वो बहुत ही सुंदर मूवी है
हाँ,
एक्चुअली.
सिप्पी साहब ने ना?
मतलब see the thing is like simple days, like जब फैमिली सब मिलते हैं, they play कैरम टुगेदर और रमी खेलेंगे
correct.
और
सच्ची में I
गप्पे
agree.
मारेंगे.
हाँ
मतलब सिंपल फैमिली दिखाया गया है उसमें.
Very good, I agree with you. लेकिन here is where Hrishikesh Mukherjee साहब and Sippy साहब did a disservice to us.
Why?
They added songs in between.
अरे सॉन्ग भी वो ऐसे सॉन्ग नहीं है कि आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट आइटम नंबर कुछ नहीं है आलतू बाबा.
Item number is not item number में सच्चाई है, because item number can you play it on the background, speaker हो सकते हैं.
अच्छा
दिखा.
जब
सुनना मेरा बात.
जब जैकलिन
ए,
आइटम नंबर
सुनो.
करेगी तो वो सब चलेगा. ठीक है.
सुनो ना बाबा, listen to me properly. Think with a nice cool mind and listen to what I'm saying. I'm saying you're right. The story of Khoobsurat is simple man, simple hero.
हाँ,
But
हाँ.
what they do is movie में क्या करते हैं कि ये hero जो है ना has a capacity to sing a song.
हाँ.
He with a beautiful voice, could be of a Rafi or Kishore or whatever it is, along with background score where there's no music in the background.
So Deepa, what we're trying to say is, if it is shown in the movie that okay, they're imagining this. And it is
हाँ.
like a khayali pulao that's pakawfying, which we still say it's okay. But to have like a buxom, beautiful Rekha
हाँ.
dancing around and saying sin 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 didi, making up a song and singing along, that really takes away from the reality of it because.
नहीं फिर
hold
भी
on,
अभी
hold on.
देखो
एक मिनट,
नहीं मैं
सुनना.
मेरा ये कहना है
सुनना.
आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. लेकिन देखो जो सॉन्ग्स वगैरह है ना
हाँ.
हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में तो इट्स लाइक एम्बेडेड इन द सिस्टम. अभी भी देखो शादी वगैरह में गाना बजता है. मतलब ढोलक लेके खुद
हाँ,
लड़कियां,
good,
आंटी,
I agree.
मौसी सब बैठेंगे गाएंगे.
Yes,
तो
you're right. Let
लेकिन-
me rephrase it again to you. Faltwani is going to comment, finish her particular. I'll come back. What were you trying to say? I want to say something.
No,
afterwards.
I was just trying to say it makes the character not relatable.
Yeah.
यानी कि एक लड़की जो शायद आपकी बहन है, right? So maybe you feel
हाँ.
that yes, my sister is there, but you're not somebody. For you, you're also probably a chulbuli character, and you feel that I would be like that Rekha
हाँ.
character. But you still have that that character is larger than life because that character can jump up and compose a song on the spot.
Exactly, yeah.
And can spout out a song, can dance.
Yeah, with background music.
Yeah, and have all the all the glamour that's required for that particular character.
Yes.
So that makes it not relatable.
Yeah.
Now
लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if the songs are well fabricated within the story और simple, मुझे लगा कि सादगी सोमवार तुम लोग जो बोल रहे हो, लाइक सिंपल, वेरी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड, वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी. ऐसा नहीं कि हीरो को मैचो दिखाया गया, फाइटिंग और ये आइटम नंबर, स्मगलिंग, ऑल दैट, लाइक larger than life. It's a very simple family story.
So as you know, Deepa, when we do something, we do it sincerely. When we actually talk about stories like this, right?
Yeah.
We're talking about stories which are simple to the core, as in, I'll tell you what, now if at all the story has that particular hero or the heroine trained in singing, has an experience in singing, I would say great, that's what it is all about, right?
Yeah.
It has to have connection to real life. I think real life is very simple. Story should actually, like for instance, example, I'll give example to you.
I don't know why you want to remove the songs, तो क्योंकि पता नहीं, I don't know. If you target just the songless movies, तब तो पता नहीं कितने मिलेंगे.
songless
movies
should be very simple.
नहीं रे बाबा, songless movie नहीं यार. There are a lot of movies which actually, for instance,
yeah, go ahead.
Have you heard of this movie called फालतू नहीं, बातों बातों में?
तो मेरे पास 2 और मूवी है इसके अलावा.
Have you heard of बातों बातों में?
हाँ, I have heard बातों बातों में, and also पिया का घर is one more very simple, nice movie. And परिचय.
Yes, okay, fine. I will take it, Deepa. How about that?
परिचय, पिया का घर. Okay, but all of them, you're saying is very relatable?
Yes, extremely.
Very good. Okay.
In fact, पिया का घर movie तो बहुत ही सुंदर, like how the things run in Mumbai compared to other cities, or how she has trouble setting in the Mumbai chawl setting. वो शादी करके आती है, पूरा नया माहौल रहता है, and that's actually true. मुंबई में ऐसे ही है.
Very good. We'll take the answer, Deepa. Don't worry. We can always, as you know, we can always tweak things out to whatever appeals us to.
Okay.
Don't worry, Deepa.
You'll okay, fine. ठीक है.
But my point is only very clear. Now there should be सच्चाई. सादगी also has to come with सच्चाई.
Correct.
And when
तुम दोनों ने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा कि अभी लेटेस्ट में, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ लेटेस्ट में कौन सा मूवी फिट बैठेगा.
नहीं आप अभी नहीं, रुको. No, I'll tell you. Yeah, Queen is fantastic story.
Fantastic, yeah.
I'll tell you why. And at first, again I'm telling you, Saadgi Somwar mein, it is not about story being of a common man.
Yeah.
It's about a story presented in the right, simple way.
In a simple way.
Yeah, storytelling is very important. Storytelling in a simple way is important, right?
Correct.
And when I say a simple way, I'm sincerely saying we actually are talking about being sincere to simplicity.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So in other words, यहाँ तक कि गानों में भी गाने हो सकते हैं, ऐसे फिल्में हैं इंडियन सिनेमा कम ही हैं actually.
Exactly. And you know what? Another thing is, Deepa, there are songs in very simple stories. अगर मूवी की स्टोरी को आगे बढ़ाना है, बैकग्राउंड में गाना बजेगा, टॉकिंग अबाउट द फीलिंग्स ऑफ द पर्सन, बट एवरीथिंग एल्स, लाइक यू नो, फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल गिव यू वन क्लासिक मूवी, राइट? It's तुम्हारी सुलू, right? There is a song called मनवा पंख लगा के likes to fly. Okay, that song, I was actually thinking about it. I said, you know, even that she bursts into songs and stuff. But the way they've shown is she's singing Hawa Hawaii at a office party. It is a remix song. And that Banja Tu Mere Rani is a dream sequence song.
Yeah.
It's a fantasy song.
That's
They've
fine.
shown it very nicely.
नहीं, वो सच्ची में दिखा है, ड्रीम नहीं है वो.
नहीं यार, but Banja Tu Mere Rani is also a rejig song.
Yeah.
It's like somebody who has already made the song and you're singing that song for your wife.
That happens. Karaoke happens.
Yeah, it happens. We all do the karaoke, right? You know. And then the Manwa Pankh Laga Ke likes to fly. She is going about her business and they're showing the progression of time.
Yeah.
And they're showing how her feelings are. It's running in the background. The score is running in the background. There's no lip to the song. Does that make sense?
Correct.
So that is still okay.
I always have the kind of songs in my mind when I'm doing stuff. Especially I'm talking to you.
So we're talking about that part of it.
Yeah, Deepa, when talking to you, my mind says, मनवा पंख लगा के wants to make you fly. जा दीपा जा, उड़ ले, उड़ जा दीपा, उड़ जा.
जा दीपा जा, धीरे अपनी जिंदगी.
नहीं, आप जी रहे हो, मेरे परमिशन नहीं चाहिए आपको. लेकिन दीपा, think about it and give us a call, okay? I still need you to actually come into the concept of what we're talking today.
Yeah,
अरे
सादगी.
पता है, अरे मैंने बोला ना, पिया का घर इज अ क्लासिक एग्जांपल. उसमें ऑलमोस्ट ऑल सॉन्ग्स आर बैकग्राउंड. एक ही गाना है जो टाइटल सॉन्ग है. वो जब हस्बैंड कॉल करता है कि मैं घर आ रहा हूँ, तो वो खुशी से वो गाना घर में मतलब काम करते हुए, साफ सफाई करते हुए गुनगुनाती है. पिया का घर है, रानी हूँ मैं.
Very good. तो आपका is something coming out from निजी life actually? You're so sweet. पिया के घर पहुंच गई ना ये इसीलिए. Wonderful दीपा जी. I know अंदर की बात जो बाहर निकल रही है. I know.
बहुत मिस किया होगा पिया को.
Must have missed so much, right? Well, welcome back. I'm sure Gopal's missed you.
Look at it giggling. Oh my God.
मैंने भी तुम दोनों को बहुत मिस किया, शो को बहुत मिस किया. मैं ना घर पे उधर बाद में सुनती थी सारे पैम शो.
हाँ.
तो मैं ऐसे ही जोर से वॉल्यूम लगा के, घर पूरा वाईफाई था घर पे, तो उसको ऑन करके सब जगह घूमती थी. सब पूछते ये क्या सुन रही है, क्या सुन रही है?
उनको भी सुनाना था ना. They also would love it, right?
No, they will.
I did.
Very good, very good.
Very good. Thank you so much, Deepa. Welcome back. We missed you. We hope to see you at the next GGC. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for calling in.
We have one more caller. We have few callers waiting. Father, can go to them, please.
Let's go.
Hello, नमस्कार. हाँ, मोहम्मद साहब कैसे हैं सर? बताइए सर.
साहेब बीबी और गुलाम.
हाँ, ले लिया साहब का एंट्री ले लिया हमने.
साहेब बीबी और गुलाम.
लेकिन सर साहब अगेन आप और दीपा जी दोनों एक्चुअली यू नो फॉर यू आई थिंक लाइफ इज बिकम पार्ट ऑफ मूवीज. यू थिंक वी एक्चुअली इन रियल लाइफ सिंग सॉन्ग्स.
हाँ.
आपने कभी अपना खुद का गाना बना के गाया है आपने?
हाँ, मैं बना के गाता हूँ मैं हमेशा.
नहीं, खुद का गाना बना के आप गाते हो क्या?
जैसे
हाँ बिल्कुल, व्हाई नॉट.
खुद का गाना बना के गाते हो?
मैं हल्की फुल्की शायरी भी करता हूँ.
हाँ सर, लेकिन उस शायरी को आप ट्यून में डाल के
अशार में लिखता हूँ और फिर इसको मैं गाने के शक्ल देता हूँ. मैं
बोल रहा हूँ सर, आप तो हमारे हीरो हो सर, सच्ची में.
सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या जब आपको ये रियलिस्टिक लगता है कि एक ठकुरायन या ब्यूटीफुल लेडी उसके बाल संवार रहा है कोई, उसको सज धज के मतलब सज रही है अपने पिया के लिए, तब वो पिया दसो जिया में वो गाना गाने का ऐसा होता है? नहीं, जनरली मैं बताती हूँ, जिसका मेकअप होता है, जिसका ऐसे ढक रहे हैं, उस टाइम में कुछ और भी दिमाग में चल रहा होता है, गाना नहीं चल रहा होता है. हाँ.
नहीं तो गाने के अलावा और बहुत सी चीजें जो चलती है भाई.
हाँ, तो इट्स नॉट
रिलेटेबल. जैसे आप बोल लीजिए अपने अल्लाह भला करे आशा फारक की फिल्म सिंदूर बड़ा अच्छा नाम है, बड़ा लंबा नाम है, वो भी बड़ी प्यारी फिल्म.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की सर, एक चुटकी सिंदूर की, वो तो राम से फिल्म था.
नहीं, वो सिंदूर नहीं, वो इसमें मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, सिंदूर तो उसका था, बिकॉज़ खून और सिंदूर का कनेक्शन था उसमें. भाई सर
आप अजय कुमार जल्दी मर जाता है.
हाँ देखा सर, ये
अजय कुमार देवानंद का भाई.
देखो सर, आज आपका कॉल, दीपा कॉल सुन के मुझे एक चीज ये हो रहा है. पर सर सुनते रहेगा, आई विल टॉक अबाउट मोर सॉन्ग. गाना लगाने पे आपको और पता चलेगा कि हमारा थीम क्या होता है. ओके,
हाँ जी सर.
थैंक यू सो मच.
हम तो सर इंतजार ही करते हैं कि कब 5 बजे और हम बिजी हो जाए.
हाँ सर, आप आगे ना, कॉल हो गया ना, बस खत्म, अभी कनेक्शन हो गया हमारा. सुनते रहेगा. ओके, लेट्स गो. वन मोर बंद वेटिंग. नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम के साथ की सोमवार में. हु इज दिस? हेलो
पैम.
हाँ विभा जी, कैसे हैं आप?
Good. How are you guys?
क्या हुआ?
सिर्फ गुड क्या हुआ? ऑसम से गुड हो गया.
मतलब
ऑसम से गुड हो गया.
हाँ, क्या इतना जल्दी?
नहीं, everything is fine. It's just kind of been a tiring day, so that's why today is good, not awesome.
अच्छा, डोंट वरी, अभी हमारा शो स्टार्ट हो गया ना, तो आप चिंता मत करो. अभी सुनो और बताओ. आज का टॉपिक है सादगी सोमवार. लाइफ विल बी नाइस इफ इट वुड बी लॉट सिंपलर, राइट? एवरीबडी, आई थिंक व्हाट हैपेंस फाल्तुनी इज पीपल, द मूवीज आर स्पॉइल्ड आवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ आवर लाइफ.
करेक्ट,
राइट? वी वांट आवर लाइफ टू बी लाइक सिमिलर टू अ मूवी.
नहीं, अभी क्या हो गया है आलतू बाबा, लोगों का ये एक्सपेक्टेशन हो गया है, पिक्चर है भाई, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Oh wow, interesting. But फिल्में
Right?
भाई, but
we don't actually feel कि it's relatable. हमें ऐसे करने का मतलब कोई
नहीं, but again पिक्चर है भाई, कुछ भी हो सकता है, one thought of it. But how about अरे मेरे लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है, because पिक्चर में होता है, मेरे लाइफ में हो सकता है.
हाँ
Like, you know,
हाँ.
just because everything in life of a hero is happy hunky dory, we should also have a happy hunky dory life.
हाँ.
Are we setting expectations based on that? Is my question. And getting setting up ourselves for disappointment.
fail, yes, exactly.
वाह फाल्तू, कभी कभी तो इतना अच्छे बोल देती है तू. हाँ,
तूने बोला आलतू बाबा.
और मैंने बोला, मुझे मालूम नहीं था ना. माय गुडनेस, थैंक यू बाजी. आपकी बदौलत इसने मेरे बारे में कुछ अच्छा बोला.
अबे मैं तेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला. Why did it become about you, आलतू बाबा?
I didn't. You brought it up to me.
तो think about me. Obviously आपके दिमाग में सादगी का एहसास आ जाएगा. तो that's what I'm.
ये हंसने वाली बात ही है. शर्म कर. ये हंसने वाली बात ही है. हाँ.
मैं भी अपने आप को simple ही, I think I'm a simple person, but I mean I don't know. At least that's how I perceive myself, and I like simplicity.
हाँ, लेकिन मतलब आप तो हाँ,
लेकिन
no, रियल लाइफ में we all are simple. मतलब we get into complicated things. Thanks to people like movies and all, who actually put expectations on us.
Correct.
Yeah, but my question is, why should we have the expectations like that? Why can't Indian cinema actually have a proper, realistic, simple story for us? There are, but the thing is, we don't know many of those.
Because that won't sell, right?
No, but
that
they have.
Sell.
No,
why won't it sell?
Contraire.
Who will it not sell to?
No, especially guys, okay, seriously, in this day and age, I mean, I'm not talking 20, 30 years ago. But 20, 30 years ago, simplicity still I think would sell. But आजकल it's it's not going to happen. I mean, I actually called क्योंकि मैंने आप लोगों से पूछना था कि आपका what are your thoughts on the movie Tamasha? Because when we say simplicity, you mean movies that we can relate to as supposedly as simple people, right? So a movie that I thought of, or a movie that really touched me actually, was Tamasha. आपने देखी हुई है?
Yes, we have seen them with Tamasha. So if you really want to know our take on it, I can tell you my take. Father and tell her take. Father, you want to go first?
No, you go first. I'll go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wisdom over. Thank you so much, Fatwani. Wisdom of beauty. देखा कितना अच्छा है. It's so simple right now. That's true. Thank you, Fatwani. तो आप अगर तमाशा की बात करें तो wonderful story था. And by the way, we have no issues with story. Today's topic is about Sadgi Somwar. Will Tamasha fall in the category of Sadgi? I would say question mark. You know why? Because Tamasha mein they do show that the hero heroine have certain abilities a common man doesn't have.
Which is what?
Let me tell you. One is, of course,
just traveling to places,
Traveling to places, okay, very few people can do it. That's fine. But going there and suddenly jumping into a song and dancing impeccably well and all stuff, right? That is.
But I'm not talking about. Yes, I thought of that already. That is not realistic, but. For me, the actual theme of the movie was something that I think a lot of people, especially
correct. So we are not talking about relatable Monday today. Today is Sadgi Somwar.
We're talking about the simple. Okay, let's make it even more simpler. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, so here is the thing, right? Are you able to relate to the Ranbir Kapoor or the Deepika Padukone in that particular movie? Are you able to completely say that, I'm in that situation, my life, I can completely relate to it? Where Ranbir Kapoor...
Operative word is completely.
Completely. Not in bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Not in one portion where you fall in love with somebody and then suddenly realize that you fell in love with an alter ego of that person and not really that person, and not all that stuff. We are talking about specifically where what is not another realistic fact over there. She loses her passport or something. Remember, that's how. And then how does she come back? What happens exactly? All that stuff is like really left up in the wind.
Yeah.
It's just a
Right. But if they started showing stuff like that, I mean, now we are talking about minuscule details.
No. Passport was just a detail to connect to reality. But the point is, with an individual, okay, let's say, President 2, don't giving too much about your personal life. Do you relate more with Ranbir Kapoor's character or Deepika's character?
with Ranbir Kapoor's character. That
So-
is why the movie.
So
you know,
good.
touched
So let me ask
so
you:
much.
when you say 100% relate to the character of Ranbir Kapoor, the character has certain characteristics.
Yeah.
Do you relate to those?
100% तो नहीं, 100%
Ah,
नहीं,
that
but,
is where you got.
you know,
Now we got it. Now we got the thing. Now we got it. So people, we look for things in the stuff, and we want to connect to it. So the movie is doing a disservice by providing these fantastic stories to us, and because the expectations come at that time.
So no. I think in the art of storytelling is also to take you to a land and to be able to live in abandon through
Sure.
the fantasy that's projected on
good.
screen, which
Yeah.
is good.
That's good.
Yeah,
But which
that's
is-
what the movies are, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, but we are not talking about those type of movies.
No.
We are talking about सादगी सोमवार. We are talking about movies जहाँ पे जो हमारे रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में हमारे जो अड़चन आते हैं, हमारे जो challenges आते हैं, हम as like you know एक डोर टू डोर सेल्समैन होता है, उसकी ज़िंदगी में क्या क्या गुजरती है. एक बंदा जो मतलब कारें फिक्स करता है, जो मतलब you know who is like for instance who has to like indulge in petty crimes to be able to
Yeah, tell me this. Don't you think most of Ayushmann Khurrana's movies are on the
no.
realistic
Now
side?
we're getting the point. Now we're getting into the thing. That's exactly what we're not all his movies, but you're right. Most of
No,
them.
not all. But
Yeah.
I would say most of them are
Correct.
very relatable.
Correct.
Yes,
Starting
now-
from
Now we get it.
Zor Laga Ke Haisha and you know when he marries the you know that girl.
I
and
haven't
he
seen
didn't
Zola
wanna marry
Kaisa.
her.
Is that
Dum
a-
Laga Ke Aisha.
Is Dum Laga- I have not seen that thing.
Yeah.
Is it- does it have
Yes.
anything where he sings like a song in public and all stuff, or somebody else singing?
no,
is
no,
it?
it's running in the background.
It's
They're
not
not
like
singing.
that.
So
It's
there,
not
that's
like
exactly
that.
now. That's the thing which
Oh,
I'm
there
talking
is a
about.
fantasy sequence,
Fantasy is fine.
which is
See,
that
fantasy
हाँ.
में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Like you know, in fantasy. So the thing is, the actual character should not be doing or engaging in those things because.
Correct.
But if they're engaging, they should be having that background to it.
And you got it.
Yeah.
You
You
got
got
it,
it, Vibha.
Vibha.
Yes.
This is
a lot
what.
of his movies are जो आप कह रहे हो सादगी
Yeah.
वाली फिल्म्स हैं and even the portrayal ये नहीं है कि वो गरीब दिखा रहे हैं उसको but then at the same time you know he's wearing a leather jacket and he's Harley Davidson with his hair blowing in the wind and singing songs.
He has
So-
done one movie like that which kind of flopped big time. What is that? Gulchare. What is that? Jebo mein Bewakufiyan.
Bewakufiyan.
Yeah, there was a movie
Hey,
that he
but
did.
no, that's fine. We're not.
that was a stupid film.
नहीं
Yeah.
it's
With
actually
Sonam Kapoor,
let
right?
me
Yeah.
let me direct you back to this because हम विषय से भटक रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हमें सादगी की बात हो रही है and you're 100% right.
Yeah.
If you pick a movie Ayushmann Khurrana, it's easier for you to find movies that are totally relatable that way and simple सादगी movies.
Yes.
And I think you're right. That particular song, the movie called Dum La Ke Aisha, उसमें जो है गाने most of them are ख्याली गाने.
हाँ.
Not like the actor or character singing those ganas, right?
Right.
So how about I do this? How about I play a nice song for you, Vibha?
Sounds good, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna play a nice song for you from the movie Dum La Ke Haisa, right?
हाँ.
And the
Momo
beautiful
ke
song,
Dage.
yes, it's a Anu Malik
All right.
composition. I think Monali Thakur and Papon have actually sung this song, so this is dedicated to you. How about that?
Beautiful song. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much. And you're right, you got the thing. Now think about songs or movies which actually are or have the Sadi element to them. Okay,
Right.
and you can
Okay,
call
I
back
will.
for sure. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Bye.
मोह के धागे मोह के धागे
And of course, by that composition of Anu Malik from the movie Dum La Ke Haisa.
मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे है रोम रोम एक तारा है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे तरह गिर हाय सुलझे
And of course, Bachchan, I hope you enjoyed the song. अरे ज्यादा बच गया मेरे हाथ से.
Hey, it's a beautiful song. मोनाली ठाकुर ने
ना,
कितनी
नहीं,
ब्यूटीफुली गाया है नवंबर 2 बॉर्न वाले कंपोजर के लिए.
हाँ, exactly. वो creative
अनु मलिक.
सादगी में ना नवंबर 2 लोग आगे
ए
हैं.
रहने दो क्या सादगी. हाँ धुमी तरह ये तुम्हारा सादगी है.
Hey, hello. Don't you know when I was a kid, but then I used to actually make the song. There's one particular tune of mine which is very famous. I had done all these songs for my
I remember.
November 2 kids are very creative that way. So the point is, आज उसके बारे में बात है. आज सादगी के बारे में होती है. It's not about me. I'm very complicated. But the point is सादगी, simple, right? And
Like
how
me,
intense.
Banja, like me. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you get.
कुछ कभी कभार कितना मैं क्या people are driving for 30 ऐसे जोक मत बोल. They'll drive off the thing afterwards. But sorry बदरजन. कृपया माफ कीजिएगा. कभी कभार ये टाइमिंग पे इतना बोल देते जोक ना. क्या सादगी हो तू. कंपैरिजन नहीं है फालतू. स्टार्क ऑपोजिट है तुम लोगों का.
हाँ आल्तुवा टोटल नौटंकी नाटक कंपनी चलता फिरता नाटक मंडली है.
I'm complicated.
He is complicated, not me, Banjan. I am not.
She's clear.
वो
She's not
I'm very clear, very simple, very simple. So
that is the joke here.
Yeah.
But the point is, hey, Faldari, let's ask one thing, okay? I'm going to put out a thing. I'm going to call out a movie name, right? Which I'll ask our bandhus. You can just tell us today. So Deepa, Vibha, Mohammed Machan Saab, आप सब लोग सोच के यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा, right? We have many of bandhus joining us on Facebook, of course. Everybody else, Meenakshi ji, everybody.
Deepak Pandya ji,
everybody on Facebook join right now. I'm going to put a movie name to you. Rock On. Now you tell me whether Rock On falls in Sadhki category or no. Deepa, come on. This is the time we actually debate. Deepa, come on. Rock On came on 18 years ago? 20 years ago? 20 years ago? Rock On?
Rock On? No, Ray. Altubaba, 2004. Oh my God, it's almost.
Somewhere 80s, so 15 years ago, whatever it is. Now, the point is, that particular movie, what do you guys think? Sadhgi movie or not? I'm not going to take sides. I'm asking you a question, just so you understand. Your teacher asks sometimes questions. I ask the kind of questions. And I don't see Meenakshi anywhere. Where's Meenakshi ji? She's supposed to be there, right?
Yeah.
What happened? Kya yaar? Kabhi kabhi Suraj, no, not fair. And of course, welcome. क्या दीपा जी क्या बोल रही है? बड़े बड़े शब्दों में कुछ बोल रही है खूबसूरत मेरे बारे में. Oh, दीपा जी used me my name and खूबसूरत the same sentence. Thank you so much. And Rock On की बात हो रही है बच्चन. What do you think? Rock On is a movie which actually has सादगी in it. सोचो एंड हमें यहाँ पे कॉल करो. दीपा जी यू कैन कॉल मल्टीपल टाइम्स मालूम है ना, कोई आपको ये नहीं है, फ्री कॉल है. नंबर टू कॉल 4089122479 408912247. देखो यहीं पे है, यहीं पे नंबर. 4089122479. Faldani, I'm going to play a song. I've told our bandhus, do you want me to play a song for me, Rock On? No, I will not play. I want to ask you guys, क्या आपको लगता है Rock On is a song movie which will fall in today's category of sadgi? Simple movies or no? Number to call 40891222479. So here's a song from a movie Baaton Baaton Mein, which actually is very simple. Right? Story, I don't know. I've not seen the movie, so I can't comment about that. Amal Palekar movie generally was simple, right?
I don't know the movie. I probably have seen it, but I don't remember anything about the movie, Banjan. I have no idea what Pearl Padam. I think Pearl Padamsi is a music teacher, is it? I'm not sure.
Something, but in the song they actually show. There's a violinist there in the movie, in the song, right? But there's no guitars anywhere.
But where's
so
the guitar? It doesn't fall in that category.
I'm sorry, Burjan.
Lekin I'll tell you one thing, Altu Baba. There's one movie, if you're talking about this, right? Call in and tell us. We don't want Facebook arguments.
Who's arguing?
Vibha Sekri says, nothing simple about Rock On.
You should call up and tell Vibha ji. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ सादगी, simple.
Yeah.
Relatability, simple things, right?
Yeah.
No hidden music anywhere. It's like this particular thing. There's no guitarist there, so I remove it out of the whole category.
Well, there's a movie Alto Baba which was all time. The movie actually became a hit. It cast actually actors who are so-called the NSD actors, National School of Drama.
NSD actors.
Yeah, NFDC kind of actors, right? Who are not really the mainstream heroes, but the movie became a runaway success. It starred Ravi Vaswani, Satish Shah.
Oh my God.
Satish Shah's character is amazing in that particular movie.
Yeah.
And you had what's his name?
Is that the way he's a dead body, not?
Exactly.
So what is simple about that movie?
That movie is amazing.
They didn't have any songs in that.
It's no songs, and it's very, very simple. It's like a comedy of errors.
Yes.
It's a beautiful movie.
Yes.
It's a lovely movie. If any of you remember the name of the movie, call it. I mean, because everything is so the way it was, the story was knit. The way the editing, everything is just works superb.
My God, Faltwani is showing off that she's totally well educated in all this stuff.
No, Ray.
Technical tools have to come back, bro. Editing, cutting, editing. Wow, wow. Cinematography. Wow, wow, wow.
This
Faltwani.
movie was a huge.
Simple story.
Very simple.
Very nice. About two guys who actually end up finding a lash.
They end up getting mixed up in being in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yes. So call करो बताओ 408-912-1 पे let's go to the waiting line. नमस्कार आप कहाँ से बात है पैम पैम की सादगी सोमवार में
Pam.
विभा जी लड़ो चलो हाँ बताओ
Lado.
हाँ
What, you think I'm a Ladakh or something?
I didn't say that. I said let's talk, let's debate.
You heard my voice, you said Lado.
Why Vibhaji? Lado does not have to be that you're a Ladakhu. You can also fight for your rights. You can fight for many things. Vibhaji. क्यों ना भाई मैं instantaneously आप भी क्या? You're taking the stance of oh wow. Okay, I thought I'm just going to be friends and to talk about debate with you, but no. अच्छा भाई विभा जी कम बैक टू द पॉइंट रॉक ऑन की बात हो रही थी आपको लगता है कि रॉक ऑन इज नथिंग व्हाट डिड यू से nothing simple.
Nothing simple about that movie, guys.
Why?
I mean, it's a movie about some rich brats
Okay.
who are able to pursue their passion for. You know what? I'm trying to remember. Did I even watch this entire movie? But I think I watched it in bits and pieces. And
Yeah, probably you didn't watch the entire movie because.
Anji?
But I think probably you didn't watch the entire movie because you started the thing with rich brats.
Yeah, they're not
Which
really.
was the movie about?
No.
It was. Well, I think there were one or two. I know. I think one or two of the characters in the movie were rich, right? Rich kids.
No.
No.
Okay, then, guys, then I'm the wrong person. I'm mixing this up with something else.
Hey, no, I want to hear what is
No,
that?
they
Why do you say-
look like rich brats.
Yeah.
They look like it.
because they're pursuing a kind of field.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they pursue that glamorous field of rock music, but they're not.
But
They show
सारे
the
गरीब थे उसमें. Were they all like not
गरीब नहीं.
wealthy?
आपके हिसाब से मिडिल क्लास गरीब होता है या अपर मिडिल क्लास गरीब
no,
होता
no.
है या नॉट
No, no,
रिलेटेबल
no.
होता है नहीं ना तो
नहीं ना,
ये सभी
हाँ.
अपर मिडिल क्लास या मिडिल क्लास वाले लोग हैं उनमें से एक
Oh.
बंदा हाँ he's a actually the whole movie kind of sort of it's not Farhan's character, it's the other character
Other
that
characters, yes. That's what
that-
actually got the movie moves because of other characters, which
Yeah.
includes Arjun Ampal.
yeah and the other friend who passes
I
away.
think Arjun Rampal was the really poor guy in the movie. I
Okay,
think,
so
right?
we have people siding with you in Facebook, but it's not going to help if just keep talking on Facebook.
You guys have to call.
Guys have to call here. Otherwise, no support for Diva. Sorry about that.
So tell us why.
Why you say nothing simple about it?
Yeah, I think now it's time for the others to add on because
Wait, let's ask. Hello.
You
You're-
tell us,
You're
you
not
tell
so easy. Come on.
You have to tell us why do you think it's not simple?
Well, based on what I remember, like I said, it seems like मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैं खुद confused हूँ कि मैंने पूरी फिल्म देखी थी मैंने देखी भी थी या नहीं
हाँ.
या मैंने bits and pieces में देखी थी या मैंने सिर्फ उसके गाने सुने थे I don't remember but from what little bit I do remember there was nothing simple like you said because they were pursuing a glamorous field and glamorous field में बंदा simple नहीं लग सकता otherwise
Hey, again, we got to define simple all over again for her.
हाँ define करो.
Simple. What do you mean by simple?
So okay, simple to me is somebody who's not very glamorous, who's not into all that, and is down to earth and not snooty and snobbish.
Well, actually, the movie we're talking about Sadgi. We're talking about the movie being simple, not the characters in the movie being simple.
आप मुझे बताओ कि कितने लोग हैं you know इंडिया में या you know in other places.
अच्छा, मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल बताओ, मेरे सभी फ्रेंड सर्कल बताओ. I have 25 friends of mine who actually are in 5 different bands.
I don't have a single friend who's in a band.
Correct.
Not
So
one.
again, it's
And it's not only that generation.
Yeah.
We know at least 3 kids. When I say kids, I'm talking about when our you know, when our
the ones who are now in the teens.
no, now they're in their 20s.
20s, yeah, yeah.
All of them have graduated high school, who were musicians in a band in high school, who now have bands of their own. They're
Yeah.
all performers. Like
Are
they,
you guys talking about kids from here?
yeah,
Also,
Also.
and I know many people from my college days who actually were part of bands. I was never a part of a band, but they were part of bands. The thing is, Rock On, I'll tell you why I think it's Sadgi. How about that? Can I tell you why I think it's Sadgi
Yes,
film?
please. Yes,
Okay.
yes, I want
Rock
it.
On
I
story,
want
the way it was treated, right? The people were real people. The story was about real people. There are people who we would have seen who are very similar to the characters who were pursuing something. I know people went crazy behind joining a band, and there used to be the battle of bands happening in India.
Yeah.
Many of them had those. At that period of time, was very, very strong. By the way. That's how they came.
even
out with
now
the
it's very big, Alto Baba.
Correct. Yeah. So indie music was always there in Indian cinema. And second thing is the songs they portrayed in the movie
Yeah.
were all musicians playing it. There were drummers, there were keyboardists, there was a guitarist, there was vocal, the vocal and the bass guitar.
And
right?
even
And
the
all-
song which is that unplugged song, Aankhon mein jiske.
That's
that
Khayali
runs-
song. Hey, we allow Khayali songs.
Yeah, it's like it's playing in the background.
We allow Khayali
Yeah,
songs, you know.
yeah.
Sadgi films has to have, it's okay to have Khayali songs.
Yeah.
But wherever they are performing with their instruments.
Yeah.
थोड़ा बहुत सच्चाई था, and that's the reason why I think people loved it, because it was a Sadgi film, is what I think. And even the
Wow.
relationship wise, if you look at it, right, they showed the real thing, that you know that he's not fallible. He is fallible. Sorry,
He is fallible.
that the hero is fallible, and the heroine also, she also has her mistakes in her, what they show.
For that matter, इस movie में
Hero,
ऐसे
hero तो फरहान अख्तर था ना? He was the main.
There were 2 heroes, no, Arjun Rampal and Farhan Akhtar.
No, there were 4 heroes. There were 4 heroes, and each one of them, of course, Farhan, obviously because of the star value that comes with Farhan, the movie became, about Farhan Akhtar. But it's not really all Farhan Akhtar. The whole, the relatability जो सादगी characters में है, फरहान अख्तर की character भी movie कैसी open होती है, that he gave up his love for music because he had to live a life, make a life for himself. Upper middle class family. He has to get a job. He goes overseas, and then he needs to get married, and that's why he gets married to this girl. But he is not happy. Truly, they say.
तमाशा थी guys, तमाशा थी.
नहीं, Tamasha came much later.
Yeah.
Much later. So this is more. No, listen. I'll tell you why this is more relatable. So if there is in Tamasha, he is not really a musician. They don't show him as being part of a rock band.
Yeah.
They don't show him
Right.
as being part of a college band.
Nope.
It is not established. But he's a performer. In Tamasha, he's a storyteller performer. That is not established. It depends upon the way the story is told. ना इस movie में ऐसे दिखा जाता है कि he has had this, and then he is how life is. He's become vexed out, and regardless, even if he's living a so-called like a beautiful apartment, a beautiful wife, and he's got everything, but he's not happy. So that's why she tries to bring back the music into his life, and she tries to bring people back together. Puts the band back together.
Right.
And they also show the struggles of somebody who chose music as his career, and that is Arjun Rampal, who goes through the same ups and downs. It's the opposite problem, where the wife doesn't want him to make a life out of music because it doesn't pay the bills. So वो भी दिखाया गया, बहुत अच्छी तरह से दिखाया गया है. And then how everything comes back together, and then of course there's a little bit of melodrama, but the movie is relatable because every single song that is made in the movie and every single twist and turn in the story is technically the emotional upheavals of each person in the movie. Does that make sense?
I'm gonna have to watch it again.
Yeah, but then again, now you got to agree that it is Sadgi movie. इतना सब कुछ बात करने के बाद फालतू ने 15 मिनट स्पेंड किया इसके बारे में विस्तार में समझाने के।
रास्कला मैं 5 मिनट भी नहीं बोली, तू इतना बोला।
अच्छा, तो टाइम दिख रहा है।
नहीं 15 मिनट तो मेरा टाइमर भी यहाँ चल रहा है।
Just kidding, yeah, Vipaji. लेकिन देखा, that's what is the thing. So there are movies which are simple, right? Believable
Right.
and relatable. That's what actually becomes, hit, and people connect to it automatically. And I don't know why people do this fantastic storytelling sometimes, and people generally feel that, oh, they want to live that life, so probably that's what it is all about, right? So
हाँ एंड वो रिलेटेबल है इस वजह से क्योंकि हमने A.R. रहमान सर से हमने ये बात पूछा था उनके इंटरव्यू में. हमने पूछा एक बंदा बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हो सकता है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग म्यूजिक राइट कर सकता है, इट्स ऑल दैट इज पॉसिबल, बट
Right.
everywhere you go, even parents here in the United States, musician parents themselves will tell you it will not pay the bills.
yeah.
Right.
तो कुछ और सीख लो.
फालतू दिल पे ले लिया उसने. And तब से वो सबको बोल रही, music is not going to pay the bills.
No,
Music is not going to pay the bills.
no. Then A.R. sir said, no, if that is your calling, that is stupid thinking that it'll not pay the bills. You're not thinking of the bills when you're thinking about creating music.
Finally, she talks about me. Thank you, Fatani. Now you're talking like me only, and you got to be sincere about things. 100% sincerity is important for everything.
Correct.
Vipaji, I hope you enjoyed this particular discussion we had with you.
Sure, of course.
Though
always.
Faltoni won the discussion. but I don't
What
know.
won the discussion?
I don't know. I just
There's
have to
no-
say yes to you.
There's
Somehow
no,
I feel a compelling thing
Why?
to say. Faltu, you're right. Oh, Faltu, you're the best.
लेकिन हमने एक और मूवी के बारे में बात की. आपने वो मूवी देखी है? अगर नहीं देखी है, इट्स अ मस्ट वॉच.
कौन सी?
एक मूवी जहाँ पे सतीश शाह लाश का रोल करते हैं.
लाश का रोल.
लाश का रोल है उनका. और हमारे पंकज कपूर साहब है. इट्स एन NFTC प्रोडक्शन. सब पूरे के पूरे लाइक रवि वासवानी, ओम पुरी, who else is there man in the movie? Really
Naseeruddin Shah.
What's the name of the movie, guys?
मूवी का नाम क्या था? वही तो क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों से. सोच के बात करो. फालतू बात
Only
करो.
many, because I called in, right? So I didn't hear whatever happened. Right after I made the call. कोई बात नहीं. I'll find out. By
But
the end of the
we'll
show.
definitely share before the show finishes, okay? We'll definitely share that.
Yeah.
But I'll play a nice song dedicated to you. How about that?
Sounds
जो
good.
एक
Thank
गाना
you.
जो आपको you'll say, oh, it's a wonderful song. You know why?
Why?
It's all about the wonders. Have you wondered why? It's like a wonder why kind of a song,
हाँ.
I
right?
want to hear. I like Wonder Why song.
Yeah, here you go. This is just for you, okay? Thank you so much, Iba.
Thank you.
And of course, Balajan, this particular song, Shankar Madhavan, Ehsan and Loy composition, sung by Farhan Akhtar, lyrics by Javed Akhtar Sabarjan for the movie Rock On! आसमां है नीला क्यों, पानी गीला गीला क्यों, डोल क्यों है ज़मीन, सिल्क में है नरमी क्यों, आग में है गर्मी क्यों, दो बात क्यों नहीं, पेड़ हो गए कब क्यों, नीले है ये मौसम क्यों, चांद दो क्यों नहीं, दुनिया में है जंग क्यों, बहता लाल रंग क्यों, सरहदें हैं क्यों हर कहीं, सोचा ये तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है, कि है ये क्या सभी सोचा है, सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी, बहती क्यों है हर नदी, होती क्या है रोशनी, बर्फ गिरती है क्यों, बंद क्यों है उठते तारे, क्यों है टूटते बादलों में बिजली है क्यों, सोचा है ये तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है, कि है ये क्या सभी सोचा है, सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी. एक चीज सोचने वाली बात है फादर. I think people are getting influenced by Hollywood nowadays.
Yeah.
Hollywood always has given us fantastic stories.
Correct.
And at least for the past few 80s, 90s, if you look at it, all superhero movies and all, right?
Correct.
Now, people are looking for this kind of stuff only.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but we should actually have proper storytelling. Nowadays, I don't know how many of you actually go and pick a particular story which is, realistic and nice and good thing. Like Faltoni does a lot, right? Faltoni, you choose all the kind of movies
No
on
man,
your OTT
I'll
platforms?
watch
Anything?
anything
Really?
and everything. I will
I
watch.
don't see you go towards fantasy. I tend to go towards horror, fantasy, and sci-fi.
No, I go towards crime fiction, Gunjan, and I also go towards simple, सादगी वाले stories.
Sad.
Everyday,
I told you.
realistic stories.
She's like too much, man. You're like, unreal, totally,
Shankar Ehsan and Loy.
जान अभी तो मेरे पे सारे इल्जाम आ रहे हैं. I should know Deepa's back. She's not complaining about me. No, she say I'm not playing her song. What song is it, Deepa? Which you want me to
Queen
play?
is not Sadgi, Deepa.
Yes.
We will not agree.
Please
Queen is
call
not Sadgi.
and no, let her call up and paste it. Present your case.
Uh,
I'm open. I will accept as long as you convince me, right?
Yeah. So Deepa says Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. That is absolutely right.
Yeah.
That is the movie
Yeah.
that I was talking about. And
No,
that
Deepa. Jyoti ji said Jaane Bhi Do Yaro.
Oh, Jyoti ji. Oh, thank
Also
you.
said that thing. Deepa also said. Deepa said first, then Jyoti ji also said that.
Jyoti ji said it.
No, Deepa also said it.
Okay. Thank you, Bandus. I'm so glad that you guys figured out which song or which movie
See,
I'm
I
talking
told you,
about.
Deepa, whatever song I play, you will love it for sure. So why are you worrying about it?
Yeah, and if you haven't seen it, definitely watch it. It's situational comedy, right? That's what that movie is about. It's a lot of it's about two struggling photojournalists, photographers, and how it's so hard in Mumbai.
I
especially.
cannot emphasize that particular movie by playing songs in the movie. Why don't you talk about movies actually have songs in them and it's simple also.
Okay, there's one movie, Alto Baba.
Bol.
If you think about Sadgi, this actor's face comes to my mind most of the time. I thought about Ravi Vaswani. One, many people do not think about him. That's why I got Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. The
Ravi
the other person is Farooq Sheikh.
Farooq Sheikh.
There was one movie that came out.
That guy's name I used to love. You know why?
Why?
It used to rhyme with my favorite drink, milkshake. What?
There was a movie called Chashme Baddoor that came out, right? I don't know the exact storyline. I'm sure you guys will know it. In that, I remember there's a beautiful song which is almost, we feel like it's like, that's not realistic because they're singing a song. It's actually she's learning Hindustani music from her teacher. There's a song called that Kahan Se Aaye Badra. There's a song in that particular movie, Banjan. It's beautiful, actually. The way they show the simple desires of a man and a woman, then it's like how their love affair blooms, and that rivalry between friends and all that stuff. It's very apparently, I don't remember the whole movie, Banjan. I just remember that this was a movie that Mahima ji had talked about, which was another movie which became very famous, or which became really popular, was a success at the box office with very low budget actors.
Very good, Faltwani. Sadgi film mein to banta hai? There's no other music other than this particular thing?
I don't know, Alto Baba.
So if there's tabla also, I'm going to cancel this off because strike it off the whole
Why?
thing.
You can have tabla on the electronic tabla.
Where is electronic tabla? This one.
Okay, then cut it off. You don't have to pay.
Faltwani.
No, seriously, Alto Baba.
No, Faltwani, I'm saying yes, I agree with you. So when we talk about the fact that people should not have any of the songs in the movie which actually has the
I don't know. I haven't seen
You're picking a song. I'm talking about a movie which actually is that way.
I'm not talking about the. I'm talking about.
I will take the one Jaane Bhi Do Yaro for sure. Chashme Baddoor has the songs in it also, wherein the background score is there for the song.
The background score, no lip on any of the songs. Watch the movie. There's no lip on any of the songs, Manajan, except the
1981. Type that 1981.
Yeah. Except that I think there is no. Yeah, there is no lip on any of the songs except that one. It's a Sai Paranjpe, and Sai Paranjpe was known for her movies like this, man. Like
I don't know Sai Paranjpe is. Please let me go. Got a call a waiting line. Namaskar, आप काट सकते पैप पैप में this. Hello, welcome to सादगी सोमवार.
हेलो
हाँ दीपा जी, हाँ दीपा जी बात करो, लो बात करो. फालतू नहीं शुरू something to you. मैं इन्वॉल्व न्यूज़ में, ओके? हाँ.
हाँ कुछ भी.
ये तुम लोग के बीच में नहीं आने वाला. I'm not gonna come between you. You guys decide. हाँ फालतू नहीं. तुम लोग लड़ो अभी.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं लड़ना है. मुझे क्यों लड़ना है? दीपा मेरी दोस्त है. क्या मैं उसको?
Exactly.
हाँ.
ये तुम्हारी साजिश है, साजिश.
हाँ, साजिश.
साजिश ये आलतू बाबा की.
हाँ, सुबह शाम वही. और बोलते हैं कि नवंबर 2 मोस्ट सिंपल. कम ऑन.
राघवेंद्र.
The most complicated fellows.
Oh, you राघवेंद्र.
आगे से कुछ और, पीछे से कुछ
complicated नहीं, full dramatic.
हाँ. नहीं, आगे से कुछ और, पीछे से कुछ और. हाँ, जब आगे से ऐसे like very like exuberant and super duper and all that, पीछे से very like saint like.
So what he's saying is आगे से हूर, पीछे से लंगूर, हैं? जरूर किसी ने तेरे बारे में बोला होगा.
हाँ. कुछ भी. हाँ, बोलो दीपा जी.
अरे क्या मैंने इतने सारे मूवी बोले, एक भी मूवी कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे हो क्या?
They don't fall in the category, my dear.
Yes, they do.
Argue. Come on, argue करो. Give us, present your case, Deepa. It's about. It's about.
पिया का घर उससे सिंपल मूवी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी तुमको.
पिया का घर is not simple. Ask all ladies. They'll say पिया का घर is very
It is
complicated.
very simple
वहाँ पे
movie.
सांस रहती है.
Simple storyline and simple everything.
Oh,
Okay, one song. If at all the song has got some music in the background, Deepa, you know what I'll do, right? I will just not play it. Okay. हाँ बोल, what song? पिया का घर song. Which song is a good song?
अरे उसमें है ना तस्वीर वो दोनों का एक बैकग्राउंड में चलता रहता है. तेरी तस्वीर मिल गई समथिंग
Is this the one which is starring Jaya Baduri? पिया का घर?
Yes.
लेकिन
Yes.
हाँ उसमें it's a nice story actually. I remember Mahima ji talked about the story. It's about
हाँ.
them coming into the newly
आलतू बाबा देखो तुम तो मूवी देखते नहीं आधे और बोलते हो पता नहीं.
आधे नहीं, मैं पूरे देखता नहीं हूँ.
Oh God.
But
सच्ची में.
you know what? I will.
You know, आलतू बाबा तुम
हाँ.
कहाँ आके फंस गए. तुमको तो वकील होना चाहिए था.
वकील.
वकील नहीं.
I am not a lawyer. Lawyer material तो ये है. ये फालतू
नहीं
सही लायर.
नहीं, he's a liar. He's not a lawyer.
ठीक है.
हाँ, आलतू बाबा पॉइंट नहीं पकड़ता है. आलतू बाबा पॉइंट को घुमा देता है. हाँ, actually,
एग्जैक्टली
वो
वो
ये-
पूरा जज को भी कंफ्यूज करेगा और
देखो,
और
फालतू
बाकी
नहीं.
दूसरे वकील को भी सबको कंफ्यूज करके छोड़ देगा.
I am like the character of Zaidi Saab
अच्छा
in the movie Chehra.
अच्छा.
Yes.
जैदी साहब.
Yes.
जैदी साहब वहाँ पे कंफ्यूज नहीं करते हैं.
नहीं, पॉइंट घुमा के लेके आते हैं.
चेहरे
चेहरे फिल्म से. ये देखा दीपा, you saw movie चेहरे?
नहीं अभी नहीं देखा मैंने.
देखो फर्स्ट हाफ देखो, सेकंड हाफ मत देखो, भूल जाओ.
सेकंड हाफ खुद लिख लो.
खुद लिख लो.
बिकॉज
अच्छा,
सेकंड
ठीक है.
हाफ इज
Now that's a simple movie.
नो इट इज
अरे बहुत सारे पेंडिंग प्रोजेक्ट है मेरे, अभी आके सब देखूंगी अभी.
अच्छा, पेंडिंग प्रोजेक्ट भी है आपका. Spoken
मतलब
like a true
बहुत सारे
architect.
देखने मूवीज.
अरे,
Spoken like a true architect.
फालतू रानी, आई बेग टू डिफर. क्वीन इज द सिंपलेस्ट.
Put your argument. Come on, fight with her. Come on.
Yes.
Lado. फालतू इसका
देखो
लड़ो.
वो बहुत ही रिलेटेबल है.
relatable
बहुत सारी
की बात नहीं है
लड़कियों के
भाई.
साथ ऐसा होता है.
नहीं, please, relatable नहीं हो, मतलब, okay. So in Queen, let me ask you a question.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Okay, she goes on. Possibilities are there. Might be 1 in 10 can actually do that also.
Goes on a honeymoon by herself.
That's fine.
Yeah.
How about the
हाँ,
point of her?
देखो it's not technically honeymoon, लेकिन वो जाती है अपनी खुद को एडवेंचर लाइक ऐसे बहुत सारे करते हैं लड़कियां आज भी. मतलब आजकल तो वो ट्रेंड चल रहा है लाइक गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग योरसेल्फ एंड एवरीथिंग. और वो तो सैड इसमें जाती है ना.
कहाँ ट्रेंड चल रहा है डार्लिंग?
इंडिया में चल रहा है.
किधर? पिक्चरों में चल रहा है. पिक्चर में आने के
इंडिया में
बाद
चल रहा है
शायद लड़की.
बाबा.
अच्छा.
लेकिन इट इज वेरी रिलेटेबल द वे ही ट्रीट्स हर, और जो भी दिखाया गया है ना वेरी सिंपल फैमिली, और उसको कैसे वो हर्ट करता है एंड हाउ द गाइज एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द गर्ल्स जस्ट बिकॉज ही गॉट सम गुड जॉब ओवरसीज.
What?
It
Really?
is very much relatable.
Oh, really?
Well, I'll tell you some aspects of the movie that are not relatable, which I didn't find not relatable. I would say that it seems like a fantastic story. Because Kangana Ranaut's character becomes this huge fantastic character. Don't get me wrong, I give all kudos and all points to a woman like that who says, okay, दुनिया जाए तेल लेने, मुझे जो करना है मैं करूँगी types. But in this particular movie, the way the characterization is such that initially she is completely broken from that. She doesn't know why he broke off the engagement, and then she goes, and then to think that she would go and live with somebody in a French, in France, she would find a place and she would find a roommate who she'd live with, and then she'll go and she'll live in total abandon in one of those hostels in what do you call that place, Amsterdam, and it's kind of hard to believe. I mean, I don't know how many people would actually do that.
Yeah.
So
नहीं मतलब लेकिन ऐसे it is the reality in Amsterdam कि ऐसे हॉस्टल हैं क्योंकि उधर जगह नहीं है. I mean it's a shared.
How do you know that?
Students do that.
How do you know that?
Deepa,
अरे मुझे
तो
पता है. मेरे सारे थोड़े
फिल्म में
फ्रेंड्स हैं उधर.
ऐसे फ्रेंड्स का नाम नहीं लिखी हो लेकिन
अरे क्यों मैं क्यों लूं? अरे
अरे
कुछ
वाह
नहीं, सच्ची में।
वाह वीडियो अच्छी प्रेसिडेंट केस ये सब वकालत करने के टाइम पे इंपॉर्टेंट है माय डियर
हाँ
मिलोड।
हाँ, लेकिन मैं बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं उनका नाम क्यों लूंगी, लेकिन मुझे पता है।
लेकिन मुझे पता है, लेकिन
हाँ।
आपको पता है क्या? आपको पता नहीं है।
हाँ,
उन्होंने बताया ऐसा ऐसा है बिकॉज उन्होंने भी इन्फॉर्मेशन लिया क्वीन मूवी से।
हाँ
फालतू नहीं, चलो एम्स्टर्डम चलेंगे, देख के आएंगे।
क्यों?
नहीं, अगर जाएंगे तो अच्छे होटल या बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट में रहेंगे, ऐसे हॉस्टल।
हाँ।
आई डिड द
अरे
रिसर्च
ये
बिकॉज आई रियली
research
वांटेड टू
के
गो टू
हिसाब से जाएंगे
एम्स्टर्डम।
बाबा, उधर नहीं रहेंगे।
हाँ, हाँ।
हम लोग जाके देख के आएंगे वेदर इट्स ट्रू और नॉट।
ये तुम लोग ना अभी ऑनर ख्याली पला मत पकाओ। लोग ऑलरेडी पक गए। लास्ट टाइम आपने इतना लंबा लंबा फेंके प्री कोविड में, वहां में कुछ भी नहीं किया। वहां पे बेचारी मीनाक्षी जी। ओहो ओहो क्या बोला आपने? ओ माय गॉड,
वो कुछ गाना है ना।
ओ माय गॉड दीपा
क्या
जी
बोले
क्या
तुझसे?
लंबा लंबा क्या बोला आपने? ओ
अरे कुछ गाना है ना,
गाना है, लेकिन आपने क्या बोला बेटा दीपा जी? लेकिन एक्चुअली आप लोग
गेंदा फूल।
एक मिनट, जब आप और ये दोनों आपका एक सागा था ना प्री कोविड में, आप जाएंगे कहीं पे, यू एक्चुअली पुट अप द होप्स ऑफ मीनाक्षी, शी गॉट डिसअपॉइंटेड। देखो अभी वो वेलकम करने के लिए कॉल भी नहीं किया उसने आपको। इतना गुस्से में
अरे मैं
मीनाक्षी।
उसको बाद में, मैं उसको बाद में कॉल करूंगी, पता नहीं कहाँ पे।
नहीं उठाएगी वो, नहीं उठाएगी क्योंकि गुस्से में है वो। उठाएगी तो फिर भी प्रॉब्लम हम लोग मैसेज करके बोलेंगे
आलतू बाबा,
अभी
मीनाक्षी
कोविड पूरा
माफ कर
खत्म
दो।
नहीं हुआ आलतू बाबा, कुछ भी।
एक्सक्यूज मी आलतू बाबा,
Yes, my dear.
आज सादगी सोमवार है तो सिंपल रखो, ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है। कॉम्प्लिकेट करता है
It's all believable fact, right?
हाँ हाँ।
It's all believable.
तो Badijan, for those of you just joining us,
Yeah, I want to give it to Deepa
what?
because Queen. उसके ख्याल में सब होता है फालतू नहीं। I can imagine Deepa wearing jeans and kurta on top of it.
Yes, I did.
I know, Deepa, I can imagine you would have done that. And I can imagine Deepa standing on the bars and dancing, drunk,
हाँ,
and kissing
हाँ,
किसी का
हाँ,
stranger.
बहुत किया।
हाँ, किसी का stranger. Yeah, बहुत
किसी
किया।
का stranger?
I don't know what is it really. No, I'm sorry. I'll take it back. What did I say? मैंने क्या बताया? मतलब I don't think a girl actually who's very conservative will go dance on a bar. Seriously,
Hey.
like the Coyote thing. Have you seen the movie Coyote's thing? Was it? There's a movie called Coyote something
I don't know.
where the girls actually dance on the bar.
अच्छा।
Yeah, not dance bar. Actually, girls dance on the bar.
वो कोई नई बात नहीं है आलतू बाबा, वो पुराना हो गया अभी।
Girls dancing on the bar?
क्या?
हाँ।
No दीपा, तू बार पे चढ़ के नाचेगी?
नहीं छोड़ेंगे ना, फाइन लगेगा
Even
भाई।
if you're drunk, would you get up on the? I don't know what she'll do. She's drunk.
Yeah, Fadil, that's why I said I want to give it to Deepa for sure because Deepa says later मतलब कुछ तो है वहाँ पे story.
हाँ,
But अमित त्रिवेदी का गाना
Exactly.
सुनना आपको ना, I know you want to listen to अमित त्रिवेदी song, right?
Which song?
हाँ, हाँ।
आप बोलो।
जाम भी है, शाम भी है, चोरी नहीं।
हाँ।
सब कुछ क्या? अरे वर्डिंग भूल गई मैं। ओ माय
How
गॉड।
could you Deepa? How could you Deepa? One
मैंने
month.
हाथों से लगाया तो
इसीलिए बोला रोज हमारा शो।
हंगामा हो गया, हंगामा हो गया।
I'll give it. तो देखो, I'll give it to Deepa. How about the first one?
हाँ हाँ।
Deepa, चलो यार Deepa. Because I think in that movie, I've not seen the movie of Queen, but in that movie, I don't think there is a direct lip to any of her songs. Isn't all background? Only this particular thing is a party song.
Exactly. It fits that category also.
That is the way you argue, my dear. What is this? Debating के लिए सिखाना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. What is this यार? I thought we'll come back and say, although this is the point. Point पकड़ो यार.
Yes,
क्या?
yes, शांतु बाबा.
हाँ.
I agree with you. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. अरे पापा. अरे भगवान.
Okay, thank you Deepa.
Thank you Deepa. सुनते रहना, ऐश करते रहना, okay? इसी के साथ या इसी के साथ come to close of a show right now, है बात
हाँ हाँ हाँ। इसी के साथ हम आज का शो यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं बंजान। हम लोग we will be back tomorrow with Good Morning Bay. Don't forget to tune in at 9. हमारा Good Morning Bay शो हर रोज रेडियो टी पे 9 to 10 AM आता है बंजान। Right now we're going to leave you with this particular song. Telling you that keep it simple and stupid. Life is unnecessarily made complex by us. So, follow the KISS principle, Ranjan. Good night.
Shabba khair.
And प्यार भरा.
मेरा नाम बदनाम क्यों है? देखो
ये गाना Banjan originally Lakshmikant Parada की composition है Banjan, but remixed by Amit Trivedi for the movie Queen. And the lyrics, of course, it's actually is originally by somebody called Varma Malik, but of course Admita Dutt actually has done the rewording for the reject Banjan. Here you go. And of course the voices are, you will listen to some of Asha Bhonsle, and then I think Arijit Singh's voice comes up, right?
I have no
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah, enjoy the song. I'll be back. Alright, next, of course, tomorrow morning. Tab tak ke liye have a fantastic, magnificent Monday evening.
शोरों का तूफान ये कहता है, हमें भी बता क्यों रहता है गुफाओं में ये दिल तेरा। शीशे में कहाँ बंद रहता है, सुबह पे लगे और कहता है इस गम को भी पी ले जरा। जाने की कल दोहराती है, कैसे बाबर में तू डूब जाती है। Oh no, you loving me, leaving me, baby, will hurt no more.
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music Banjan for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more